guys. My name is Trooper Sullivan. I'm a pilot and trooper in the state police. There are those bag-looking devices. Yeah, you. That's right. They're floats for landing in the water. That's right. So the helicopter at nighttime, we have that big searchlight we could use to look for a suspect. And at nighttime, to help our eyes, we also have night vision goggles that we fly with that come down over our eyes and give us much better sight at night.